guys, welcome to Vanshika's Vibe, and today we are going to do a campus tour video. So we are going to NLU Jodhpur. Let's go! Let's go guys! Okay, so when you enter, there are two pathways. One goes this side and the other one goes this side. So we will be going from here and गोला लगा के हम वापस इधर ही आ जाएंगे. Okay. So firstly we'll go to this where we have this National Law University का board, and this is halls of learning जहाँ पे हमारी classes होती हैं. So we are going to go there firstly, and also there is halls of management जिससे हम बच्चों का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बेसिकली कॉलेज का जो मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट है वो वहाँ पे हैंडल होता है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू हॉल्स ऑफ लर्निंग जहाँ पे हमारी क्लासेस होती हैं. लेट्स गो.
हमारी
मतलब हमारी क्या बोलूँ मैं, तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. इफ यू विल बी एबल टू मेक इट टू दिस कॉलेज तो तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा. लेट्स गो. हियर इन हॉल्स ऑफ लर्निंग. लेट्स गो इनसाइड. कोर्ट रूम जहाँ पे हमारी सबसे ज्यादा बेइज्जती होती है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बेसिकली अ कोर्ट रूम सेटअप और यहाँ पे जाके अपना केस लड़ना होता है. वॉट एवर. तो आई थिंक अभी ये लॉक है, दे वोंट बी गिविंग अस द परमिशन टू गो इनसाइड, बट या यू कैन सी थोड़ा बहुत. एंड दीज आर द अदर क्लासेस एंड दिस इज अनदर मूड कोर्ट रूम. तो हॉल्स ऑफ लर्निंग इज डन. Most of the classes are closed क्योंकि अब वेकेशन का टाइम आ गया है. Now we are going to the canteen which is also closed. But this halls of learning has 3-4 gates और काफी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है. This is the canteen. और जहाँ हम लोग क्लासों से बिल्कुल भाग के सबसे पहले इधर ही आते हैं. तो बेसिकली दे सब ओकेश फूड बट थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देता है. ऑब्वियसली कैंटीन है. Okay, so here we have another academic block kind of thing. So that is NLUJ का MP theater, and this is the auditorium which I'm going to show you. अगर वो खुला होगा, नहीं तो I have auditorium की clip तो मैं वो लगा दूंगी. And here are some faculty chambers, and there are also some faculty chambers in the halls of learning. But yeah, and here we have the auditorium, and then we have a room जिसमें हमारी classes होती हैं because we are the excluded ones. So yeah, I'll show you that. I hope वो खुला हो because that is the most prettiest class throughout the campus. ठीक है? Okay, so we have this huge auditorium जो अभी बंद है, but I'll add some there. Don't worry. And here we go. यहाँ पे हम सीधा जा रहे हैं. So again we have two ways. There are classes ऊपर भी, and यहाँ से हम बाहर निकलते तो एमपी थिएटर एमपी थिएटर यहाँ से बाहर निकलते तो एमपी थिएटर आते हैं. यहाँ से बाहर आई शो यू काम. दिस इज द लीगल सर्विस पीरियड. नहीं तो हमारे मिलते ना कोई आइटम यही मिलते ना.
खुशी कहाँ मिलेगी?
कोई खुशी का नहीं. तो यहाँ पे हमारा कुछ आइटम खो जाता है तो वी कैन चेक इट हियर. हम लोग यहाँ पे रख लेते हैं. प्रॉबेबली मिल जाता है क्योंकि मेरी दोस्त ने 100 बार अपने सामान पहुंच गया तो मैं इधर फालतू से चक्कर लगाती हूँ. दैट्स ओके. दिस इज आवर क्लास बट ये लॉक लगा हुआ है. बट हमारी क्लास बहुत प्रिटी है गाइस.
वीडियो डाल
बिकॉज हाँ आई अपलोड द वीडियो क्योंकि ये क्लास नहीं बनी है. सो दिस गॉट रियली गुड फर्नीचर. एंड नाउ ओके, सो यहाँ हम आते हैं. सो we have this very cute NLU Jodhpur ka thing because they don't have a really big NLU Jodhpur ka thing. So this is it, and this is very pretty. And yeah. Okay, so यहाँ पे आके हमारा academic block खत्म हो जाता है because उस साइड जो है this is वहाँ पे भी काफी बड़ा कैंपस है but that is all faculty quarters. I'll show you. यहाँ पे there's a huge garden or kind of thing. and यहाँ पे आसपास तुम साइड में घूम सकते हो. बट these are all faculty quarters. तो यहाँ पे हमारे faculties रहते हैं. So we ideally should not visit there, but we do visit there. So yeah, heading towards the fun part of our college apart from academics. So it's going to be fun. Let's go. So guys, this is the roaming area. यहाँ पे तुम ऐसे वॉक कर सकते हो सुबह शाम. हाँ, वो बात अलग है, अगर सांप वाप मिल जाए वो तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. कॉलेज doesn't give a fuck about you. But yeah, we have a lot of greenery, so let's go. After this area, we are going to that part of the campus. So सबसे पहले we have this field. So basically we had a cricket field, पर वो अभी renovate हो रही है. So this is the cricket field as of now. So yeah, this is the cricket field. And after this cricket field, we have more fields. So yeah, we are getting there. We have too much greenery, guys. Unlike Delhi, तुम यहाँ पे अच्छे से सांस ले सकते हो. We have good AQI here. So NLU Delhi मत जाओ, इधर आओ, ठीक है? Okay, guys. So here we have this medical center, जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत राउंड लगा लिए सेमेस्टर और मैं हर दूसरे दिन फ्री की दवाई लेने आ जाती हूँ. तो तुम यहाँ आ सकते हो. This is Health and Wellness Center. We have this ambulance here in case you need it. Also we have a counselor here जो तुम्हारे mental health pressure को कम कर सकता है, क्योंकि ये कॉलेज तुम्हें इतना प्रेशर देता है कि तुम्हें चाहिए पड़ता है counselor. So come here. So okay guys, here we have a lot of boys hostel और there is no boundaries to boys hostel. मतलब इतनी कुछ safety इन लोगों की है नहीं, क्योंकि of course we need safety from them. Okay, just kidding. So these are a lot. This is one building of boys hostel. There is this another one जो तुम्हें पेड़ों की वजह से नहीं दिख रही है, and there are a lot more that side also. Okay, so these you can see the number of hostels for boys, and here we have this football field, and there's a huge football field over there. So yeah, let's go if you're a football holic. So you'll be spending most of your time here also. So yeah, it's good. And there we have pavilion where you can celebrate your birthdays. रात को 2-3 बजे तक बातें करो, कुछ भी करना है करो. Another buildings of boys hostel. तो यहाँ पे भी 2 हैं. Then we have 2 more over there. A gazebo over there, which is one of the peaceful place. और जब मैं पहली बार कैंपस में आई थी, so I spent my 1 week here only. We used to chat a lot. तो तुम भी जब पहली फर्स्ट ईयर में यहाँ आओगे, यहाँ बैठ जाना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातें करना, ठीक है? We have another gazebo over there. पर and also we have a lot of gazebos. पर अभी हम वेकेशन पे जा रहे हैं, so बंदर और कबूतर वहाँ पे बैठ के चिल करने वाले हैं. So yeah, it's very. So guys, this is the old mess. So we have 2. मेरी शक्ल नहीं दिखाओ यार तुम. We have 2 mess over in our campus. So this is the old mess, and we have another new mess over there, which I'll show you later on. तो ये इन्होंने बंद कर दिया है because of course इन्होंने सब कुछ बंद कर रखा है. And here you can see this Yuvardha 8 if you can. So that's sport fair जो तुमने देखा होगा. I hope मैं बुलाऊँ, but I'll just show you the. Small candy road है जिसका सारा सामान उन्होंने हटा दिया है because of course. Again, there's a boys hostel over there, and now we are heading towards the tuck shop. So basically, वहाँ पे तुम्हें ऐसे अच्छा खाना मिलता है. सही वो क्लेम करते हैं कि वहाँ पे अच्छा खाना मिलता है, बट यार जब तुम आओगे तो यू सी अच्छा मिलता है नहीं. एंड यार यहाँ पे तुम्हें थोड़ा बहुत ग्रोसरी का सामान भी मिल जाता है, लाइक योर फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स इफ यू वांट एनी. तो यार let's go. So we also have a lot of space over there. So यहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा बनवा सकते हैं ये लोग. So we also have this salon over here, and there are very pretty paintings made by NLU students only. So yeah, here we have our cricket team members. Here it is, Rohit Sharma. Oh, he's Virat Kohli and he's. Okay, so after this cricket thing, we also have a painting over here. And then we have, इनको के सामने मत नाचना. Okay, so these are the shops जो अभी सब लोग हैं. These are the top shops. यहाँ पे भी खुली होती है. यहाँ पे you have laundry if you want to. Yeah, that's it. The basic necessities can be fulfilled inside the college only, so you don't have to travel outside. क्योंकि this college is on the highway side of it, so basically यहाँ पे चीजें difficult हो जाती हैं. Now we are heading towards the sports complex where we have a lot of stuff. Okay. So yeah, we are reaching sports complex in 2 minutes. Probably 2 seconds. ओके तो वैसे ही बंद लग रहा है बट वी आर एनएलयू के बच्चे तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स ओपन इट. This is the school table and we have a pretty painting over there. Yeah, it is a painting and a lot of heroes who get to the sound even and that is a problem. And yeah, levels. You can also practice about dance or whatever performance you are doing. You have to practice that at home. So yeah, let's go. We also have a high school levels. Now we are heading towards the girls' hostel and yeah, it's really safe. Okay, so here we have the girls' hostel, the gate, guys. So this is the main gate, and now we have a lot of girls' hostel over there. So let's go. This is the board where it says कि कहाँ कब चढ़ना है क्या करना है. We have a lot of hostels over there. This is Gargi. This is Sarojini Naidu. This is Mother Teresa. And there we have Rani Lakshmi Bai and Meera Bai. So basically these are on the freedom fighters we had in women particularly. So yeah, these are the buildings और आगे जाके भी हैं. Which I'm not showing because I'm so tired. There are 2 other hostels over there. So yeah, वो थोड़ा सा दूर है, but they're also there. 4, 5 are there here and 2, 3 are there. So we have a plenty good amount of hostels over there. So here we have this basketball court, guys, and I'm going to play basketball here next semester. So please push me to do that. So this is the basketball court. These are the unsaid क्या बोलते हैं मतलब बिना बिना हाँ बिना किसी परमिशन यहाँ रह रहे हैं and I'm so scared of them but that's okay and we can sit here and watch the match. So yeah, that's it. And here we have a volleyball field just beside this. So I'll show you that, and there we have a lawn tennis court. So I'll show you that as well. So this is the volleyball field, you guys. वहाँ पे भी देखो एक कुत्ता सो रहा है because yeah. So we have this lawn tennis court over there. So yeah, this was it. I think I can make really good videos over there क्योंकि अभी यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है. But yeah, that's a good one. यहाँ पे तुम खेल सकते हो lawn tennis. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. अच्छा रहेगा. Now I'm feeling कि हमारे कॉलेज को थोड़ा NUJS कोलकाता जैसा होना था. Sorry, इस वीडियो में मुझे बहुत से केसेस आ सकते हैं, but I want cases, ठीक है. So here we have a really pretty part of the campus. We have 3 sets over there, and you can just sit. There are benches over here, so तुम यहाँ पे बैठ के आराम से chill कर सकते हो रात को. It feels really good here. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so there is this construction happening. So these are the construction of the new hostels that are being made here. So जो भी तुम next first year आने वाले हो, probably you guys will be staying here. So yeah, अब आधे में मतलब 6 months में it will be completed. So yeah, these are the construction. Yes, only for the girls क्योंकि लड़कों के hostels में काफी जगह है अभी, but there are plenty amount of women in this college. So उनके लिए we are making another hostel. ठीक है, I am making it. ठीक है. Okay guys, so this is Yuvardha written on the grass. So ये बहुत ही creative चीज है. Also there's another one there जिसपे NLUJ लिखा हुआ है. So that is also guys. So if you go straight ऐसे so there we have a SBI branch. So if you want to take any loan or there's ATM also. So अगर तुम्हें पैसे वगैरह निकालने so you can just go. तो तुम्हें campus के बाहर ऐसे नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. Here we have convention center जिसमें your parents can stay. As of now, I don't know if they charge you money or not, but I think they will be charging you money. But yeah, they can stay here. This is the convention center, and the rooms are really pretty, honestly. Yeah. And this is let me not tell you this, but this is the lover spot of our college. So यहाँ पे you'll find a lot of couples over here. You will not find me here anytime, okay? So yeah. So now guys we are going to the library. So library basically has 2 doors. So तुम उस side से भी निकल सकते हो and इस side से भी. So since we are moving this way, तो हम यहाँ से निकलते हैं. And that we have an NLUJ का bus. So they basically there's a like allotted time. उस time पे बस रोज जाती है and if you want to go anywhere, तो वो तुम्हें वहाँ पे छोड़ देगी. And now let's go to the library. अभी वो close होगी probably क्योंकि obviously no one is going into the library. अभी लोग ही नहीं है, library कौन जाएगा? जहाँ library है यहाँ is the first gate और यहाँ पे side में जाके there's the second gate over there. तो पढ़ी let's go. There's literally too many spots in our college which are so pretty. This is very pretty and there we have another class. See. This is also really pretty. यहाँ पे तुम अपनी फोटो वीडियो खिंचवा सकते हो. So yeah. This is the library, guys. This is the entrance part और यहाँ से हम जा सकते हैं. Let's go. अगर खुली हुई है तो let's go. Oh, there I show you halls of management. So this is another gate. So every building basically has 2-3 gates over here. तो इतना बड़ा कॉलेज है कि तुम कहीं से भी निकलो कुछ भी करो. This is also a very cute spot. और यहाँ पे तुम ऐसे पिकनिक भी बना सकते हो, guys. Now we have really pretty trees over there, but वो लोग बार-बार काट देते हैं trees को because animals ना आ जाएं, you know. But yeah, this is a really pretty spot. तुम यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हो, लेट सकते हो, कुछ भी करो भाई. तुम पूरे कॉलेज में कुछ भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? With this, we are coming to the end of this video and video is about to end. हम लोग वापस वहीं आ चुके हैं जहाँ से हमने start किया था video, going towards the main gate. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Work hard to get into this college. I worked hard, that's why I'm here and making this. So you also work hard and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Guys, we have this Saap PD here and we have this, what do we say? क्या कहते हैं इसको? लंगड़ी बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ तो. So you can just play it. Fuck. Yeah, you can play. She's my bestest friend, guys. I'm carrying her from this semester, and she is the reason मैं इतनी अच्छी वीडियो डाल पाती हूँ. So all thanks to her. I love her. Yes, sir.
చిరునవ్వు ఎందుకు
Unofficial resident. So I am unofficially living in RAB. My hostel is empty, but मेरी दोस्त इधर रहती है तो मैं आने टाइम इधर ही रहती हूँ.
जल्दी चलो आगे वो वाली क्लासेस अच्छी हैं वो दूसरी इसकी
पेड़ है, इतने पेड़ है, कुछ और दिख ही नहीं रहा है. मेडिकल सेंटर दिख ही नहीं रहा है इधर.
बहुत धूप है
मैंने मेरा के पर मेरी फोटो बटवे मेरा के मेरी. Like I'm too tired, guys. मैं थक गई हूँ, मुझे प्यास लग रही है यार.